Today we are going to learn one of the new and lesser known remedy, that is Bediaga, that is freshwater sponge. Another sponge which we are well known with, that is Spongia tosta, that is roasted sponge available from ocean. This is the sponge which is available from fresh water, right? That is river. Both of these sponges are having the property to having action on the glands. So the Spongia we are knowing, that is having action on thyroid gland, and this also Herring says that it is having a great anti-hemorrhoidal property. But in which type of patients you are going to use this Bediaga clinically? The patients who are having the past history of the scrofula, that is scrofulous nature, scrofulous diathesis in the past history, and now they are having the problem of hemorrhoids. So as an anti-hemorrhoidal you can use. Another indication, Bediaga is very important remedy which we are not knowing clinically, that when in different type of remedies we have used in the case of rheumatism, even proper indications are there, but we are giving and not getting results. The modalities are just opposite to the Restox, and when we are asking to patient and patient says my knee pain is getting aggravated when I'm going downstairs, that is modality descending downstairs aggravate. So at that time again the Bediaga is very useful, and this is the indication, that is descending downstairs. That is very important modality where Vitholka says first remedy to be thought of is Bediaga. Another indication is so much of soreness. Very much soreness is present in this. The skin is so sore, so sensitive to touch, even the sensitive to touch of the clothes also. That is very important. Like this soreness we can compare with the arnica. Arnica is also having the soreness like this. Another indication where there is a coughing. Now three remedies are present in this where we can compare. Suppose a person is coughing, and this coughing will lead to sneezing. Coughing will end up in sneezing. So Bediaga is a remedy. Another thing, if the sneezing is means if the cough is caused by sneezing, means a person has sneezed a lot and then end up into a cough, then the remedy is the Seneca. Third indication, if the cough and sneezing both of them are present together, then the remedy is Spongia. So these are the three remedies where we can compare. Again, the coughing of Bediaga is like Kalika. The coughing will have an expectoration that will fly out from the mouth. So fly out like a jet from the mouth, the expectoration, the sputum. So that we can compare with the Kalika. Here again, the coughing, why we are comparing with the Spongia? Because Spongia is also having the coughing aggravation from sweet, and here also cough aggravate from sweet things. So this is a similarity between both of them. The comparison, complementary remedies are three: sulfur, iodine and the myrrh. Mercury has having the similar symptoms you can say, but the modalities are just opposite to that of the Bediaga. Bediaga is having aggravation from cold and better from heat, whereas it is opposite in the myrrh. Iodine, why it is complementary? Because already we told that it is having the scrofula, tendency to the glandular affections. And the third complementary was sulfur. We can see that in the Bediaga, sulfur element where it is coming, that is in skin. So much so sore to touch. Soreness is very much. There is an cracks, raggeds are present, freckles are present. So that we can compare with the part of the sulfur. Again, we can have another one point in the mental symptoms, that is palpitation from the least excitement, emotional pleasures. If a person is hearing some good news and suddenly the palpitation occurs, like the cophia is also having the sensitivity to the emotional excitement. Either it is good news or a bad news, but emotional excitement will lead to some problem in the cophia, and over here that is in the Bediaga. Bediaga especially for emotional pleasurable moments which leads to palpitation, where we can think of this remedy. So that's all for Bediaga, some of the clinical indications.